This song features one main chord pattern. It starts on an F major, F, A, C, for 4 bars in 3/4 time. It's gonna then go to a C major, C, E, G, for 4 bars, to a D minor, D, F, A, also for 4 bars, ending this pattern on a B flat major, B flat, D, F, for 4 bars. In one hand, that could look and sound like this, starting on an F major, F, A, C, for 4 bars, and 3, 4, we'd get 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, C, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, measure 3, measure 4, repeat. In 2 hands, that pattern could look and sound like this. 1, 2, 3, F.